Next one here, going to try another. I'm going to use this 4mm purple. 4mm purple. One piece of the beads is enough, and let's going to use the wire here. Wire 18 gauge, 1mm. For a ring, you normally cut it in the 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. There are different way to make. If we are make it in another design, it's going to be try next. Here I just try one design first. Okay, here this first you are going to make a wrapper. Make a piece of the loop. Fold at the middle here. Bend it like a loop. Hi. Yes, this is the copper, but don't worry, this one, the copper, the color will not be faded. It's non-tarnish copper wire here, high quality. Never worry about quality in my shop. Even you find some copper wire in the other place and it's tarnish, but in my shop, the quality of this copper wire is non-tarnish. Yeah, you can even wear it to go shower, go swimming. So is this one, make it as a fold, and we can be fold it the wire like this. Okay, so it come like this way. Then we are use the purple beads put at the top of this base, and we use the wire 0.4 here. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time in my live streaming, thank you to follow me. Okay, so now we go to put the beads on that frame. Put the piece of the beads at the top. Then you are going to setting in. Thank you. And go to wrap it here. And wrap it one more time here, and let the piece of the wire go through inside the beads. So it 2 pieces of the wire go through in the beads. Okay. Here. Put it here like this. And cut. We don't need this one. We just left one wire here. Okay. Then let's go start to wrap it. Okay. Cross it 2 times also. And let's go start to wrap it. Okay, we go wrap. What material are the beads? CZ, cubic zircon. Thank you. So it's like this. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this way the tips does how to wrap it neat and nice. You are not put your hand far away than wrapper. You must be put your hand near the wrapper part. And this side, when you are wrapper here, your hand not tight the wire very, very tight, or it will be twist. It's a little bit loose. Hand loose, but It means you need to let the copper wire on your hand. It can be moved, but need to tight the braid, tight the wrapper. So it's this way. It's very easy, right? You can try. It's non-tarnish copper wire, my dear. If you are interested to learn the jewelry making, you can get the copper wire here. I sell the copper wire and share the free tutorials. More than 600 free tutorials in my TikTok page. I will show you where you can find the free tutorials. So it's wrapper this way. Need to relax more. Yes, need to relax more. Okay. This one here. Wrapper. So my finger near the wrapper, not far away. Here. Wrapper, wrapper, wrapper. Wrapper, wrapper, wrapper. Okay. And the wrapper, 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 wrapper. Here. This one. And the wrapper, wrapper. Here. See, this is how we making the ring faster. Yeah, it can make it 5 minutes. And you can sell it like at least about $15. If you do a jewelry business, maybe you can develop this design for your business. Yeah. Here, then I'm going to stop. So cut. Yes. Tight is here. Then the end we're going to make it going to try it a beautiful wrapper. We can cut it one short, one longer, and it's going to wrapper this way here, and wrapper. So it's like a peacock head, right? And then we're going to just bend it on the ring side. Going to try it in a size 8. If I bend at 8, it come out a 9. If I bend at 7, it come out at 8. But it's a open ring. It can be adjusted the size later. Okay, here. Okay, so it's a ring finished. Let me see what's the size. It's a size 8. Hello, DDL. Happy to see you. Okay, so it's finished.